everybody. Today I illuminate things. So, like you see here, you don't see anything because there's no light. But now you can see this cassette. Maybe this is a little too high. So, I have this ONKYO YAMAHA, and here's the power supply here, and I look those regulators here, minus and plus 12, and follow those two transistors, emitters. I can use those with power supply this, and here is those two transistors, and it's working well. I managed to found by local store that kind of things. So LED grip. I can cut here. I put one of here. The light is very good when a cassette is something like that. Clean case. Next I make this Yamaha, same thing, 300 volt friend. You have seen many times when I try to fix this, but now I have give up this recording thing. Now I change those LEDs over there, indicator what kind of type I have inside, rewiring all, and those service mount LEDs are gone. Now I need to test this little bit. Normal type is now in. It's just, let's put chrome type. Yes. And then metal tape. It's working. Last time when I make those, I don't have any schematic drawing like this. Here I can see all those connections correctly, and what I make wrong, I connect all those minus together, but here need to be plus. So now it's working, and but next thing what I need to do is put this LED bridge in this cassette case, and I can take 12 volts from here. My wiring, like you see, is bright. Let's go over there. this is enough. Now everything is put to back, and I record this and this stopping sound. What was my amplifier is now max. You can still hear little bit, but this normal listening level 15, nothing. So maybe this misconnected LEDs was one reason. Maybe this chrome type is wider. I don't know. But thank you for watching. Main thing. So here is this new light. Not bad. Thank you for watching again.